Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to get green screen filter from Instagram. So guys, to get the green screen filter, first of all you have to update your Instagram from Google Play Store here or iStore from here, Apple Store. So let me just go to Google Play Store and just search for Instagram. And after searching for Instagram, what you have to do here, you have to update your Instagram here. So let us update, and guys, after updating your Instagram, let's go to your Instagram. So here is my Instagram. Let me go here and then let's check it out how we can find the green screen filter on Instagram. So now guys, let's click on the camera or top left of your screen, and then what you have to do here, you can see here, you have to just scroll one left side, and then you will find the green screen here. You can see here, you can see here. So guys, this is how you can find green screen filter on Instagram. Thanks for watching guys, and please hit the subscribe button. Bye bye.